Have you ever wondered why some people speak English fluently while others struggle despite studying for years? Are you tired of freezing up when asked a simple question in English? Do you wish you could speak English confidently, without hesitation, fear, or embarrassment? What if I tell you that fluency is not about knowing all the words, but about practicing the right way every single day? If you want to transform your English speaking skills forever, then this script will change your life. Today, we're going to break down everything you need, from mindset to daily practice, in simple steps so that you speak fluently and confidently. English is more than a language. It is a bridge to opportunity, confidence, connection, and success. Whether you are small blue diamond, a student trying to ace presentations, small blue diamond, an employee communicating with international teams, small blue diamond, an entrepreneur pitching ideas, small blue diamond, a traveler exploring the world, small blue diamond, someone who wants to feel confident in social conversations. English fluency transforms your life. But here's the truth many people don't tell you. Fluency is not a talent, it is a skill. A skill that can be learned by anyone with the right strategy and consistency. Fluency means speaking smoothly without long pauses, being understood easily, responding naturally in real conversations, feeling confident rather than afraid. Confidence is not something you're born with. It is built. And that's what we will focus on today. Practical habits that build fluency and confidence step by step. You can practice all the grammar in the world, but if your mindset is weak, you will hesitate, freeze, and lack confidence. Here's what many learners do wrong. They think fluency comes from perfect grammar. They fear mistakes and avoid speaking. They compare themselves to others. They think confidence is something you either have or don't. Let's correct that. Mistakes are your best teacher. Fluency requires mistakes. Yes, mistakes. Every time you make one, your brain learns what not to say next time. So whenever you speak and make a mistake, congratulate yourself. You are learning. Confidence comes from doing, not feeling. Most people wait to feel confident before they speak. That's backward. You become confident by speaking, by failing, by trying again. Remember, action creates confidence, not the other way around. Speak for meaning, not perfection. Stop trying to sound perfect. Focus on communicating your ideas clearly. Perfect grammar doesn't help if people can't understand your point. Daily practice routine for fluency. Now that your mindset is aligned, let's make a daily routine that guarantees improvement. Fluency improves when you train your brain, ears, mouth, and confidence every day. Warm up your English brain 10 minutes. Every morning, listen to short English audio. Repeat what you hear. This trains your ear and mouth muscles. Task: repeat after these kinds of audio, podcasts, YouTube speech clips, movies with English subtitles. Example: the more I speak, the easier it gets. Say it out loud 10 times. Vocabulary in context. Forget memorizing long word lists. Instead, learn phrases. Example: instead of happy, learn, I'm really happy about that. New words become easier to speak when they are in real sentences. Shadowing practice. Shadowing means you listen to a sentence. You repeat it immediately, at the same speed. This improves pronunciation, rhythm, accent, confidence. Start with slow speakers, then move to fast speakers. Speak to yourself. Yes, talk to yourself in English. Talk about your day, your plans, your goals, your opinions. This builds fluency because your brain practices forming sentences without fear. Speak with others, real conversation. This is the most powerful. Use language exchange apps, English speaking partners, tutors, friends who want to learn too. Real conversation forces your brain to think and respond in English instantly. Daily performance tracking. Write down your progress. Example: today I spoke English for 10 minutes without stopping. I used 5 new phrases correctly. Celebrate every win, big or small. Confidence building strategies. Fluency and confidence go hand in hand. Here's how to strengthen your confidence. Speak even if you're scared. Fear is normal. Confidence grows when you do it anyway. Try this. Every time you feel fear, speak one more sentence. Focus on your message, not on eyes. People often worry about how they look or sound. Instead, think, what idea am I sharing? Is my message clear? When you focus on the message, confidence increases naturally. Use positive self-talk. What you tell yourself matters. Replace "I'm bad at English" with "I'm improving every day." Repeat it daily. Prepare before speaking. Before important conversations, write key sentences. Practice out loud. Repeat confidently. Preparation boosts confidence dramatically. Learn set phrases for common situations. Examples: introducing yourself, asking for help, giving opinions, agreeing and disagreeing. When you know these scenes, your brain has ready responses. Practical conversation skills. Let's go beyond routines to real communication skills. Asking questions. Questions keep conversations flowing. Examples: what do you think about? How did you learn English? Can you explain that again? Active listening. Don't just wait for your turn to speak. Listen carefully, then respond. Active listening makes you sound smarter and more confident. Paraphrasing. If you don't know the exact word, say it differently. Example: I forgot the word. How do you say in English? This shows confidence, not weakness. Asking for clarification. If you don't understand, can you repeat that? Can you slow down, please? This is confidence, not confusion. Using fillers strategically. Natural speakers use fillers like, well, actually, let me think. These help you by thinking time while sounding fluent. Advanced development. Once you have a foundation, it's time to accelerate your fluency. Record yourself. Listen to your own voice and correct mistakes. Use your phone every day. Join public speaking groups. Communities like Toastmasters, speaking clubs, Debat Forum. These build confidence fast. Speak in front of a mirror. This trains body language and expression. Your face and tone matter as much as your words. Think in English. Don't translate from your native language. Think directly in English. This eliminates hesitation. Read aloud every day. Choose articles, stories, speeches. This improves fluency, rhythm, and confidence. Common challenges and solutions. Every learner faces these struggles. I forget words while speaking. Solution: practice common phrases. Prepare topic vocabulary ahead. My pronunciation is weak. Solution: listen plus shadow native speakers. Record and compare. I get nervous. Solution: speak more. Celebrate progress. Use positive affirmations. I freeze in real conversations. Solution: practice real conversation weekly. Ask simple questions. Use active listening. Now here's the truth you must remember. Fluency is not about perfection. Confidence is not about being fearless. English is not just a subject, it's a living skill. You become fluent not by memorizing rules, but by using English every day. You become confident not by waiting, but by doing repeatedly, fearlessly, and intentionally. So here is your final challenge. Speak English for at least 15 minutes every day without stopping. No matter what, just speak. Record yourself. Check progress. Grow stronger every day. And this is not just a practice. This is a transformation. Because when you speak English fluently and confidently, you unlock opportunities. You connect with the world. You eliminate fear. You expand your future. You don't just learn a language. You change your identity. You stop being someone who struggles with English, and you become someone who dominates English with confidence. So, I ask you one final question. Are you ready to speak English fluently and confidently? Starting today? If yes, not tomorrow, not next week. Today, right now, start speaking. Because confidence isn't given, it's earned. And fluency isn't wished for, it's practiced. Now go speak and change your life.